Ready to snag that must-have item without breaking the bank all at once? Let's unlock the power of your Affirm credit card. First, make sure you've downloaded the Affirm app and activated your Affirm credit card. You'll see your available spending power right there on the home screen. Now, for online shopping, look for the Affirm logo at checkout. Select Affirm as your payment method, and you'll be prompted to log into your Affirm account. Here's the important part. You'll see different financing options with varying monthly payments and interest rates, clearly outlining how much you'll pay over time. Choose the plan that comfortably fits your budget. For in-store purchases, simply use your physical or digital Affirm card at any retailer that accepts Visa. The process is similar to using a regular credit card. However, depending on the purchase, you may have the option to select a payment plan within the Affirm app after the transaction is complete. Your payment schedule is easily accessible within the app. Set up autopay to avoid late fees and keep your credit score healthy. Late payments can impact your creditworthiness. Speaking of fees, Affirm doesn't charge late fees or hidden fees, but it's crucial to understand the interest rates associated with your chosen payment plan. Review the terms and conditions carefully before finalizing any purchase. By using your Affirm card wisely, understanding the financing options, and staying on top of your payment schedule, you can make those desired purchases responsibly and manage your finances like a pro. Now go get that thing you've been eyeing.